This is your dog. This is your life. And this is your life with your pet made a whole lot easier with Wayzen, a device that converts your sliding back door into a secure app-controlled pet door. So while mom's at work and dad's, well, busy, Wayzen puts the power of using the sliding door into the paws of your pets. No more expensive sitters, no more interruptions, no more accidents in the house, no more worries. Traditional pet doors are ugly, cause permanent damage, and are a serious security hazard. Wayzen just takes 3 minutes to install your sliding door, working with all standard sizes and styles. No damage, no costly professional installation, no eyesore. And it acts as a secure lock to your home, easily disappearing whenever you need it to. Wayzen detects your pet at the door and sends you a notification so you can let them in or out. And when you're at home, you have the auto open option, doing the work for you. Wayzen even works with your smart speakers and cameras like Alexa and Nest. So when you're away, you'll see when your pet's ready to come back in on your mobile device. When your hands are tied, you can use your smart speaker to open the door. Locked out? No need for a hide-a-key. Wayzen allows you to get into your home with your smartphone. Wayzen's safe, affordable, and secure, keeping your day's schedule on track while bringing freedom to you and your pet. Learn more today at Wayzen.com.
From the innovators who created the world's driest bath mat comes the world's cleanest dish drying system. Isn't it time your dish rack caught up with the rest of your kitchen? Life has changed since the 50s. We no longer source our vegetables from a can. Women are portrayed in roles outside the kitchen, and there's an app for everything. So why is the dish rack stuck in the past? The old school dish rack was designed to drip dry plates, cups, and silverware, leaving puddled water and bacteria behind. Why are we still using the same rusty metal baskets and funky smelling kitchen towels to dirty just washed dishes? Built upon the enthusiasm for the Durai bath mat, we created the world's first mold-free dish drying system. The Durai dish rack and dish pad are the first kitchen products to integrate our trademark Diomat technology. Made of diatomaceous earth, or fossilized algae, Diomat prevents bacteria by dispersing the water throughout for rapid evaporation. The Durai dish rack is designed for your lifestyle, whether you're an aspiring chef working on your mad knife skills, a new mom with an endless supply of bottles, or a fitness enthusiast with containers and shakers for every activity. The side rails accommodate modular accessories customized to fit your most frequently used dishes. The aircraft-grade aluminum frame holds a cutting board with plenty of space for larger pots, pans, and bowls. Have heavy-duty cookware and ceramics? Stack away without bowing or bending. The sustainable, food-safe Diomat evaporates moisture from the base in seconds. How about those occasions when you don't need a full rack, but simply a sanitary space to dry your dishes while protecting the countertops? We've got you covered with the Durai foldable drying pad. The eco-chic Durai system instantly eliminates pooling water, a perfect replacement for your arsenal of squishy foam offenders and perpetually smelly hand towels. The silicone wrapping helps promote 360-degree airflow while protecting your delicate items. When you're done drying, just fold and store. A team of researchers, designers, engineers, and germaphobes, Durai has spent the last 10 months brainstorming, prototyping, and testing to create the perfect dish drying system. We invite you to join in our excitement to modernize kitchens and bring the solution to life. We appreciate and want to thank the community of backers who help make our visions a reality. So we're offering exclusive discounted pricing on the Dry Dish Drying System for this campaign. Our vision is to eliminate unwanted moisture and combat mold in every home with eco-chic, sustainable design. We hope to be invited into yours. Please help us reinvent the dish rack by backing our Kickstarter today.
Staying organized is a problem we all struggle with.
If you're like us, you try keeping things tidy, but still spend time every day looking for your wallet, your phone, your keys, and your sunglasses.
To create a better experience, we've questioned the design of these everyday items in order to reimagine a better way to organize and carry them all. There are so many solutions out there that try to tackle the problem of organization, but they come with their own problems and often create other issues. We've grown accustomed to these compromises and trade-offs, but these little frustrations really add up, and a simple solution is long overdue. Hi, I'm Lindsay.
I'm Nate, and we're Distill Union. We're passionate about designing products that simplify your life in clever ways. And after 2 years of exploration and development, we've created a system that allows you to easily organize and carry only what you need. We wanted to create something that's more than just functional. It saves you time and space and adapts to your life in an elegant and meaningful way.
This is Ferris, a hassle-free solution for your everyday essentials at home and on the go. Ferris is a system that lets your wallet and keychain adapt to what you need to carry, eliminating clutter and increasing peace of mind. Ferris is all about customization. There's no longer a need to carry different solutions. Instead, make what you carry work for you. Choose the key loop, key folio, mod wallet, or any combination to suit your specific needs. You can easily stack and rearrange, even combine your keys and wallet into one consolidated carry so you have one less thing to remember. Scale up or down, add only what you need, no more, no less, and no tools required. Ferris is powered by our patent-pending maglock. This magnetic locking mechanism gives you the perfect balance of security and access that so many solutions fail to provide.
Free a key instantly to easily swap out and share as needed. Ferris makes your life a little bit easier by improving the things you carry and how you store them. Made to last with durable materials that feel great in your hand and look great in your home. It all comes together with the Ferris Mod Station, a modern mail catch that gives everything a proper place, saving your sanity and making your out-the-door routine quicker and easier. Stop scrambling for your stuff, streamline your routine, and take back your time. Everyone's needs are different, and we're excited to hear how Ferris adapts to meet yours. For the past 2 years, we've gone through countless prototypes to refine our ideas and work through all the details. We've listened to what frustrates you about your daily items, and after rounds of testing, we're excited to share our hard work with you.
This is our biggest project to date, and we're back on Kickstarter because we need your help. We've been designing products together for over a decade, and this is our 9th Kickstarter. We've delivered on every single one, so you can feel confident backing this project.
We're working with trusted manufacturing partners, and Lindsay and I have even relocated to Asia so we can be close to ensure everything runs smoothly.
We'll keep you informed along the way and let our backers in behind the scenes while we work to bring this product to life.
We need to raise the funding for materials and manufacturing for the first Ferris production run.
And we need your help to get the word out about Ferris. Every single share truly helps.
We hope Ferris makes your life a little easier.
Hi, I'm John, but you may know me by some of my other names. The Man, Big Brother, or my recent favorite, the Corporate Overlord. It's guys like me that are after your data and making a total mockery of your online privacy. And it's not just Big Brother you have to worry about. These days, everyone is watching. Meet Eddie. Ooh, whose profile are we looking at today, Eddie? Let's hit him with some ads. This is Tom. Luckily for him, he uses Winston. Winston is a hardware filter that protects your privacy online and keeps your information safe. Just install Winston between your modem and router, and you can retake your data and decide what you want to share with me and my buddy here. Tom set his up in minutes. Winston adds a layer of protection to all your devices. And thanks to Winston, Tom no longer has to worry about getting ads on his phone just because he talked about something.
How about Hawaiian pizza tonight?
Ooh, sounds good.
Isn't that creepy? And that precious smart TV? You used to watch your TV. Now your TV watches you. And Winston has its very own comprehensive dashboard. Dig into your network analytics to find out what exactly is being filtered, where it's coming from, and who's running it.
You know I can see you, right?
All right, guys, it's time to go. He has Winston now. So protect your family and your information with Winston. Hi, I'm new in the neighborhood. Mind if I take a look at your search history?